Hello guys, I hope you are feeling completely well. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Arash and I'm here to teach you French language in English. Let's get started. This is the book, as you already know, this is the book Grammaire en dialogue, page 18 and lesson 5. Aller, venir et partir. I spoke about these three important verbs in the previous videos. Now I'm going to read this text and tell you whatever exists here. Okay, this is aller, very important verb. As you already know, it means to go, venir, to come, et and partir, to depart. Tu viens avec nous? This is the title. Tu viens avec nous? Will you come with us, or do you come with us? This comes from this viens comes from the verb venir. Je viens, as you already know, the conjugation. Je viens, tu viens, il vient, elle vient, on vient, nous venons, vous venez, ils viennent, elles viennent. I told you everything related to this matter in the previous video. It's a conversation between Angelique, in French, Angélique, et Emily. C'est une conversation entre Angélique et Emily. It's a conversation between Angélique and Emily. Angélique says, Emily, salut, ça va? Emily, hello, how are you? Or are you fine? Oui, ça va bien. Et toi? Yes, I'm fine. Ça va bien. Ça va bien means I'm fine. Et toi? And you? Angélique says, ça va très bien. I'm very fine. Nous partons en vacances. Guys, we have a verb partir. Partir en vacances. It's an expression. Partir en vacances means to go on holiday. To go on holiday. So, ça va très bien. I am very fine. I am very okay. Nous partons en vacances. We are going to depart on holiday, or we are departing on holiday. We are going on holiday. Emily says, quelle chance. Quelle chance. What a good chance. What a chance. Où est-ce que vous allez? Où est-ce que vous allez? Where are you going? Where are you going? Angélique says, nous allons en Italie, en Toscane. En Toscane. Nous allons en Italie. We are going to Italy. To Toscane. Aller en Italie. Italy, it's a country. It's a feminine country because it is ended to e. That's why it's a feminine country. And whenever you are going to say in Italy, you must say on Italy. It is the same for all feminine countries. And if you watch my videos related to countries and cities and nationalities, there you can find everything related to them. This is a feminine country. That's why you must say on Italy. For example, en France, en Belgique. But for masculine countries like Japan, you must say au Japon. Au Japon. Au Japon. Like that. Au Japon. Why? Because the country is masculine and you must say au for this. Ah, c'est super. Oh, it's great. It's perfect. Comment est-ce que? Guys, it is pronounced like that. Comment est-ce que, you must do liaison here. Te and e, they are meeting each other, so you must do liaison here. You must mix each other, the pronunciation. So, comment est-ce que vous partez? Comment est-ce que vous partez? How, comment means how. How are you going? How do you go? En voiture, by car. En train, by train. En avion, by plane. By which one? En voiture, en train, en avion. Angélique says, on part en voiture. Part comes from the infinitive partir. So, on part, we depart, we go en voiture, by car. C'est plus agréable. C'est plus agréable. Agréable is an adjective and means agreeable. So, c'est plus agréable. Plus means more. So, it means it's more agreeable. It's more pleasant. So, c'est plus agréable. On a plus de liberté pour visiter. On a plus de liberté pour visiter. Guys, whenever you have a preposition and you want to use a verb after the preposition, you must put the verb in infinitive form. So, pour visiter. For example, pour voyager, pour manger. Okay? It's a preposition, and after that you are going to use a verb. So you must put your verb in infinitive form. So, on a plus de liberté pour visiter. It means that we have a good liberty. We have more liberty for visiting. Okay, it means that you are more comfortable to visit. You have a good liberty to visit everywhere. You are more free to visit. You are more comfortable to visit everywhere. On a plus de liberté. I will tell you about this grammar in next lessons. In I think it is located in the lesson 9 number lesson 10. I will tell you everything about compression there. Don't worry. So, où est-ce que vous allez exactement? Où est-ce que vous allez exactement? Where are you going? Exactly. Exactement. So, you have an adjective means exact. Exact, and for feminine, exact, like that. Exact. This is the adjective, and exactement by the suffix mont, you can make an adverb in French language. It's a way of making an adverb in French language. So exact, it's an adjective. Exactement, it's an adverb. So où est-ce que vous allez exactement? Où est-ce que vous allez exactement? Where are you going exactly? Angélique says, nous allons à côté de Sienne. Nous allons, we go, or we are going. À côté de, guys. À côté de means next to. I can write here, yes. À côté de means next to. We are going next to Sienne. It's a place, it's a river, I think. À côté de means next to. Dans un petit village. Dans un petit village. Village means village. Petit means small. In a small village. C'est une région magnifique. It's a magnificent region. Région means region. Magnifique. Magnifique. Don't pronounce G in this word. Don't say magnifique. Magnifique. G, ça ne se prononce pas. It's silent. It's a silent letter. So, magnifique. C'est une région magnifique means it's a magnificent region. Vous allez à l'hôtel? It means that Are you going to Are you going to a hotel? Are you staying in a hotel? À l'hôtel. Angelique says no, pas exactement. Exactement means exactly. Pas exactement means not, no, not exactly. Not exactly, not exactly. Pas exactement. Pas exactement. A little bit difficult the pronunciation, but it's if you practice well, it will be easy as soon as possible. Pas exactement. Exactement. Pas exactement. Not exactly. Nous allons dans une petite pension en pleine campagne. Nous allons dans une petite pension en pleine campagne. Une vieille maison, un jardin et une piscine, le rêve. So guys, nous allons, we are going dans une petite pension, in a small pension. Pension is the same. It's a small suite. Pension, everybody knows. En pleine campagne. So what does it mean en pleine campagne? We have plein and pleine for feminine form. It's an adjective. Plein, pleine. It means full. Plein, pleine means full. But when you say on, for example, en pleine nature, en pleine nature, nature means nature. En pleine nature means in the middle of the nature. In the middle of the nature. Or for example, you say en pleine montagne. En pleine montagne means in the middle of the mountain. In the middle of the mountain. It's the same for every place that you want to say. For example, en pleine. It's another example. En pleine ville. En pleine ville means that in the middle of the city. In the center of the city. Exactly. So whenever you are going to use this adjective with a noun, you must look at your noun. If your noun is feminine, you must say pleine. If your noun, for example, village, village, en plein village, it means that in the middle of the village, in the center of the village. So when your noun is feminine, you must put pleine, because pleine is feminine form. When your noun is masculine, so you must put plein, because it is the masculine form. En plein village, en pleine ville, en pleine montagne, en pleine nature. It's the utilization of this adjective with a noun. So here, en pleine campagne. Campagne means countryside. En pleine campagne means in the middle of the countryside, or in the center of the countryside. Une vieille maison, vieille, you know, in an old house, un jardin, a garden, and une piscine. And a piscine means swimming pool, guys. And a piscine. Le rêve, dream. Oh, this situation exactly is a dream. Quelle chance! What a chance! Gaspard et Margot ne viennent pas avec vous. Gaspard et Margot ne viennent pas avec vous, pardon. Gaspard and Margot will not come with you or don't come with you. Si, yes, si. Whenever you say si as an answer to a negative question, it means that yes, it's a positive answer for a negative question. For example, I say that vous êtes étudiant. You say that si. Sorry, I say vous n'êtes pas étudiant. Vous n'êtes pas étudiant. You say yes, or you say si in French language. So it means that yes, I am a student. Je suis étudiant. Vous n'êtes pas étudiant? Si, je suis étudiant. Si, ne viennent pas avec vous? Si, ils viennent avec nous. They will come with us. They come with us. Mais ils vont d'abord 2 jours en Provence. But they come d'abord means at first. D'abord at first. They come at first. 2 days en Provence, it's a region, pour voir la mer de Gaspard. This is a preposition, and your verb is in infinitive form. So, oh sorry, infinitive form after preposition. Pour voir la mer de Gaspard, for seeing Gaspard's mother. Ils viennent en Italie juste après. They come to Italy just after. Alors, quand est-ce que vous partez? Quand est-ce que vous partez? When will you depart, or when do you depart? On part samedi matin. We go or we depart Saturday morning. On Saturday morning. Le plus tôt possible, guys. Le plus tôt possible. Learn it all together, because possible means possible, tôt means soon, plus means more, le plus means the most. Okay, so if you want to uh, translate it literally, you must say the most soon possible, but it doesn't give you a good meaning. So you must, le plus tôt possible all together means as soon as possible. Le plus tôt possible, as soon as possible. Learn it like that. Le plus tôt possible, as soon as possible. Et quand est-ce que vous revenez? Revenez comes from revenir. Revenir means to come back. Contesco, guys, pronounce this like that. Don't say condesco. It's an exception. Contesco, pronounced like that. Contesco. Et quand est-ce que vous revenez? When will you come back? Or when do you come back? On revient dans 2 semaines. On revient dans 2 semaines. We will come back, or we come back in 2 weeks. Dans 2 semaines. Dans 2 semaines means in 2 weeks. It means after 2 weeks we will come back. On revient dans 2 semaines. We come back in 2 weeks. Alors, so, tu viens avec nous? Will you come with us, or do you come with us? Je voudrais bien, I would like to, mais je travaille, but I am working, I work. Have a good time, guys. Till next video.